If you are looking to build long-term wealth, protect your assets, or plan for retirement, then real estate might be the ideal tool for you. My name is Wendy Ojiro, and today I'll be sharing with you how you can achieve 3 financial goals using real estate. That is wealth accumulation, wealth preservation, and retirement planning. We'll go through all these 3 to see how can you use real estate to achieve that goal. So when it comes to real estate, investors should always start with the end in mind. What are you hoping to achieve with this real estate investment? What is your time horizon that you're working with? Is it long term? Is it short term? And that will show you where to invest and what your strategy should be. And with that, you'll know how much risk can I take? How much return can I expect to get? So we'll start with wealth accumulation. And when it comes to this, age does not matter. You can start at any age, however young or however old you are. To date, my youngest client has been 22 years. In 2020, I sold a studio apartment in Kilimani to a 22-year-old. So you can never be too young to start your real estate journey. So when it comes to wealth accumulation, at this point, you are getting properties that will give you a rental income and will also appreciate over time. So you should ideally look for properties that are in fast-growing areas. I recommend a cash-flowing property, although land can also work because land appreciates over time if you choose a good property. So in this stage, you're buying property with a time horizon of like 5 to 10 years. You buy it, get income from it, and at the end, when you sell, you also get capital growth. So let's say, for example, in the 90s, people who are buying in Runda, they used to buy a half acre for 2.5 million. And now that same half acre goes for almost 50 million. Now, if somebody bought a house during the same period as well, you can imagine how much it has appreciated over time. So that is the strength of wealth accumulation when it comes to real estate. You buy a property, take good care of it, it will give you an income, and when you're ready to sell, it will have also appreciated in value. Number 2 is wealth protection. Once you have accumulated wealth, maybe you're in business or you're in real estate or wherever you've gotten your money from, then real estate is a good tool to protect your wealth. 1, because it hedges you against inflation, because as inflation rate goes up, the price of real estate usually goes up. That is, both rents go up and the price of buying a property also goes up. So when you have your money in real estate, and especially when you have a good diversified portfolio, then you're assured that you will preserve your capital. You're also assured that you will secure your future and the future of your family. Because again, real estate can be a tool to achieve your goals. And through the income you get from real estate, you could use it for education, you could use it for vacations, you could use it to help your family get a better start in life. You can give your children a rental income from one of your properties. You can give them one of the properties to live in to reduce their cost of living. So it's a good tool to help you achieve both your personal and family goals. And then the third financial goal that real estate can help you to achieve is retirement. Everybody will retire at some point. And planning for retirement starts at an early age. I have clients who are in their 30s and have already they're already building their portfolio for retirement. When you have a portfolio in real estate, then you have passive income. Especially when your property is well managed, you can have your agent take care of your estate and you receive your income passively. Real estate offers you a good opportunity for this. And again, age is not a factor. You can start planning for retirement at any age. You're never too young or too old. So what you'll do is when you're investing for retirement, then your main goal will be long term. So you can withstand market shocks, you can withstand price fluctuations because your time horizon could be up to 30 years. And you can imagine, one, how much rental income you'll have collected, let's say over 30 years. Maybe you have bought a 2-bedroom apartment in Westlands. The year is 2024. You've bought it for 15 million and you have been collecting rent for, let's say, the next 20 to 30 years. And then when it comes to retirement, you can choose to sell it and get capital growth. You can choose to take a loan on it because you have equity and then use that loan for other businesses. Or if not, you can continue to keep it and continue to get that income passively. Real estate is also a very good tool for building generational wealth. One of the ways to transfer wealth is through property. When you build or buy property right now, then generations after you, even after you're gone, will be able to benefit from that wealth up to second, third generation. And we see that a lot, especially in Indian families. They buy to hold. So you'll find that their great-grandfather owned a property and now it's in the third generation going to the fourth. So real estate as a tool for building generational wealth is also something you should consider in your investment plan. So that is it. Basically, investing can be overwhelming, but if you take it step by step, have a clear financial goal. Why are you doing it? And your goal might be different from other people's goals. What is your time horizon? For some people, it's shorter. For some people, it's longer. So ask yourself, are you working with 5 years, 10 years, 30 years? And real estate, the longer your time horizon, the better. It is a marathon. It is not a sprint. So please share with me in the comments, what are your financial goals at the moment? And how does real estate tie into that? And if you know somebody who would benefit from this video, then share with them and they'll be able to learn how to use real estate as a tool to achieve their financial goals.